welcome to my channel where I share easy, quick and very effective natural home beauty recipes for your face, body and soul. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button below this video. Follow us on social media and become the part of the community. And in today's video, I want to share with you 2 easy recipes for your under eye area. I want to show you how you can get rid of under eye puffiness, dark circles, and how you can get rid of small curl feet and small wrinkles that you might have under your eyes. So if you are interested, then keep on watching the video and enjoy the recipes. These were the recipes. They're really very quick, very easy, and they're really very effective. I made 2 recipes because I like to alternate them. One day I use one, another day I use another, and I do it almost every day. Sometimes I stop using them when I see that my under eye area doesn't have any puffiness or any bags. Then I stop it, and then when I see again, I use them again. They're really very good, they're really very handy. I find them better than using ice cubes because every time when I use ice cubes, it becomes really messy. So I found this alternative really long time ago and I really love it. Every single time I just take them out from the freezer, I leave them for 1-2 minutes so they are very soft, and then I apply under my eye area. And I want to say that you will notice the difference from the first application. But if you want to tackle this problem seriously, you have to use these masks consistently, or any other recipes that might help you. As per essential oils, make sure that you don't have any allergies. For essential oils, read the safety tips, always do the patch test before using new ingredients in your beauty regimen. And in case you do not have essential oils that I use in these recipes, I will list other essential oils that you can use for under eye puffiness and under eye bags. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found the recipes helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on the icon over here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.